All right, up at N Scottsdale, cruising in to check out Guest House. Oh, hey. All right, the Griffin, which is butter-infused whiskey, Angostura bitters, vanilla spice demerara. I went with a Super Tuscan, super light, nice and enjoyable, and of course a San Pellegrino.
You can probably throw with this now.
Yeah, there we go.
Nice.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
He's used to this.
All right, the Wagyu pastrami.
Oh, look
Look at that. Oh yeah, pull that thing apart. All right, wow, that looks good. Seasonal squash risotto and the pork champ. Oh my gosh, jeez. Man, look at that thing. All right, guys. So sorry, didn't make a leaving video from the restaurant. So I'm out here on a Monday doing a little hike. It's about 104 out. Getting ready for another storm. Anyways, guest house, 5-star service. Food was about a 4.6, 4.7 out of 5. Really good. My pork, fantastic dish, perfectly cooked. And Nicole's risotto was delicious. And you know, we want to do a leaving video, but unfortunately the beautiful cars that are parked outside when you leave, I just got caught up with the beauty of all of them and forgot to do a leaving video. So anyways, if you like Guest House, I recommend it. Reservations, it was full when we went in, and just a great time. We're definitely going to be back there, and loved every part of it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one.